In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome keeps opening new tabs. If Chrome is popping open tabs on its own, it's almost never random. It usually comes down to a misbehaving extension, a setting that tells results to open in a new tab, or unwanted software. We'll go step by step, starting with the most common fix and moving to more thorough ones. First, check your extensions. Open Chrome, and in the address bar, type Chrome/extensions, then press Enter. Toggle every extension off so they're all disabled, and fully close and restart Chrome. If the problem stops, you've confirmed an extension is to blame. Turn them back on one by one, testing after each until the issue returns. When you find the culprit, remove it or keep it disabled. Extensions can change behavior after updates, so even familiar ones are worth testing. Next, stop search results from opening in new tabs. Go to Google's homepage, click the Settings gear, and choose Search Settings. Look for the section called Where Results Open, then turn off the option that opens each selected result in a new window or tab. Save your changes. This prevents normal clicks from spawning extra tabs. Now reset your startup behavior in Chrome. Open Settings, go to the On Startup section, and select Open the New Tab page. If you see any pages listed to open on startup that you don't recognize, remove them. This ensures Chrome only opens a clean tab when it launches. Clear cached data to fix glitches. In Settings, open Privacy and Security, then clear browsing data. Select cookies and other site data and cached images and files and confirm to clear. Note that clearing cookies signs you out of most sites, which can resolve stuck states that trigger new tabs. Scan for malware, which is a very common cause of random tabs and pop-ups. Run a full scan with Windows Security or your antivirus. You can also use Chrome's built-in cleaner by going to Settings, Reset, and Clean Up, then Clean Up Computer. Let it search for harmful software and remove anything it finds. If nothing works, reset Chrome. Go to Settings, Reset, and Clean Up, and click Restore Settings to their original defaults. Confirm the reset. This disables extensions and resets settings without deleting your bookmarks. Finally, check your keyboard. A stuck Control or T key can trigger new tabs. Disconnect the keyboard, try an on-screen keyboard, or test a different one. If the issue stops, you've found the cause. Follow these steps in order, and you should have Chrome back under control.